back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share a very delicious recipe. Strawberry Atole, made my way, that I know you guys are going to love. And is perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients for this delicious and amazing strawberry atole. And if you love strawberries like I do, you're going to love this atole. I have fresh strawberries or frozen, you decide. I have cornstarch, the flavor of strawberry, condensed milk, evaporated milk, 1 liter of regular milk, strawberry extract with color and flavor. This is everything you need to prepare this delicious and amazing homemade strawberry atole. So let's get started. I want to start here first with 1 cup of very cold water, and I have the atole mixture here, the cornstarch, the flavor of strawberry and color. What I like to do first is add it into this cold water, dissolve it really good, making sure that there's no little lumps or no little pieces of the cornstarch. You want to make sure that you mix it and incorporate it really good in very cold water. When I say cold water is because if you put it in warm water, it's going to clump up, and that's exactly what you don't want. You want to make sure that it dissolves completely. Let me show you from close up how it needs to look. There's no more cornstarch visible to the eye. Just mix it very well and look at the texture. Very runny, just like water. Just the thing that changes is the color, because it's the color and flavor of strawberry. I'm going to put it aside, and here I'm going to continue with 1 liter of regular milk. You could use any type of milk you have at home. I'm using regular milk, and I'm going to go ahead and add 1 can of evaporated milk. I'm going to add 1 can of condensed milk. This combination of the regular milk, the condensed milk, and the evaporated milk really makes this atole really creamy and delicious. You guys are really going to love it. And of course, in this household, we do not leave anything behind of the condensed milk. Not at all. I'm going to go ahead and start whisking. I want to make sure that I add 1 tablespoon of strawberry color and flavor extract of strawberry. I'm going to add it in here, and then I am ready to whisk it really good. Whisking it slowly at the beginning so the condensed milk really incorporates with the rest of the milks. Look how beautiful this becomes. Really light pink, really beautiful. And the aroma of the strawberry extract, just amazing. Let me tell you, the mornings are very cold, and when you make this delicious creamy strawberry atole, you could enjoy it early morning before you head out to work or to take the kids to school, or you could end your day enjoying a delicious creamy strawberry atole. And here I have 1.5 cups of strawberries. I'm going to take the stems off very carefully. I don't want to take any of the pulp with the stem. And after I remove all the stems, I'm going to rinse them really good through running water. Once they're nice and rinsed, I'm going to put them in my cup of the NutriBullet. I'm going to add 1 cup of water, and I am going to blend away. Make sure that you blend it really good, because then you are going to put it through a sifter, so all those little seeds don't go into your atole mixture. Look at this. And now I didn't film when I was putting it in a sifter. But now I added it in here to the milks and looked at the texture. It's already really creamy. Of course, when you add fresh strawberries, it really makes a difference into this delicious strawberry atole. I really recommend it. And like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. I have the pan on the stove. I'm going to cook it in medium-high heat. Once you add it to your pan, make sure that you mix. Do not step away because it could easily start sticking and burning from the bottom. And I love using a wooden spoon to mix it. It's gonna take about 10 minutes before you start noticing that it starts getting nice and thick. When you start smelling that amazing aroma of the strawberry, you will know when this is almost done. Remember, you want to keep mixing until it starts getting nice and thick. And if you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Remember, when the mixture, the milks are nice and hot, it's not boiling, but it's nice and hot, you're gonna mix one more time the cornstarch mixer, and then you're going to add it in here. Once you add it, just keep your eye, because once you add it, it starts thickening, and you will start noticing when you're moving with your wooden spoon, it starts getting a little heavy. Look how runny it is still. After a couple minutes, you can notice that the wooden spoon gets nice and coated with the atole. Look at this. Now it's really nice and hot. You want to make sure and continue mixing until your desired thickness of your atole. The more it cooks, the more creamy it gets. So let me show you. Once on the wooden spoon, you could run your finger on the back of the wooden spoon and the mark stays. That means your atole is ready to enjoy. Just keep mixing, because what is worse to get an atole that got burned from the bottom? Look at this. Now you know that this atole is done. I'm just gonna cook it for maybe 1 or 2 more minutes, and let me show you. It's nice and hot. You could run your finger through the back of the wooden spoon and it'll stay just like that. So now I am ready to prepare my cup with this delicious and amazing creamy strawberry atole. Look at this. The aroma just smells amazing. I hope, my friends, you warm up your bodies with this delicious strawberry atole. Well, here I'm going to turn it off. I am ready to start adding into my cup and enjoy it early morning. Look at this. Of course, the aroma of the strawberry really penetrated all my kitchen. Slowly adding a little bit at a time until my cup is nice and filled. You could drink it just like that, enjoy it just like that, but don't forget to add a strawberry. And of course, sweetbread. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing strawberry atole. If you love strawberry like I do, you're going to love this amazing and creamy strawberry atole. Excuse me. The flavor is so intense of the strawberry, is just amazing. You could enjoy it just like this, or you could enjoy it with the Mexican bread. You decide. But this came out perfect for this cold weather. It's really thick, really creamy. You're going to love it. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. I will stay enjoying this amazing strawberry atole. Bye-bye.